First, the top news headlines. Doctors across Manipur joined nationwide protest to condemn horrific rape and murder of a doctor in Kolkata. And 25 individuals arrested in connection with the recent vandalism at Kolkata's RG Car Hospital. A very good evening. You are watching ICE English News. This is Suraj Khongban Tabam giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Doctors across Manipur have joined the nationwide protest led by the Indian Medical Association IMA to condemn the horrific rape and murder of a postgraduate student from RG Car Medical College in Kolkata on August 9. In a strong show of solidarity, healthcare providers in Manipur have suspended outpatient services (OPD) and elective surgeries for 24 hours from 6 a.m. on Saturday to 6 a.m. on Sunday. All hospitals and healthcare centers, including RIMS, Jenims, Caesar Hospitals, Ras Medicity and others, participated in the strike, which showed the withdrawal of patient care services as part of the protest. In addition to the suspension of services, doctors staged sit-in demonstrations at various hospitals and institutions across the state. During a protest at Caesar Hospital in Imphal, Dr. Dipsha Sinha, an MBBS student, expressed deep outrage over the incident, condemning it as a severe violation of individual and institutional integrity. Dr. Sinha emphasized that the incident is both alarming and unacceptable, highlighting the critical importance of ensuring the safety and security of healthcare providers who are essential to the health system and work tirelessly to save lives and improve public health. The protests reflect the widespread anger and concern among medical professionals regarding the safety of their colleagues and the need for stronger measures to protect those working in the healthcare sector.
We want justice! We want justice! No more violence! No more violence!
It's not only the problem is not only about her, but all over females of all over India that have been suffering this every day in one part of the country or the other, victim of such cases. But it is not only about our college, but it is about all the colleges all over India. We ensure security for all the females and also doctors who are doing their countless services for the welfare of the society, and for that we are doing this, and we think that the higher authorities will take actions against this thing, and we hope for justice.
We are submitting a memorandum at our own institute and also to our Chief Minister, to our Health Minister and also to the Member of Parliament. We will be submitting a memorandum to have safety at the level of institute and at the central level also.
The faculty members, resident doctors, MBBS and nursing students in Negrims also joined the nationwide protest against the barbaric and gruesome gang rape murder of a second-year postgraduate student of RG Car Medical College in Kolkata. Protesters requested the common people and society at large to take interest in the hardships faced by the doctors and create an optimal environment for them to provide adequate services. In connection with the recent vandalism at Kolkata's RG Car Hospital, 25 individuals have been arrested, the police confirm. The incident, which took place on August 14, saw a mob causing significant damage to the hospital campus, including the protest site, vehicles and other public property. The mob stormed the RG Car Hospital campus on Wednesday night, leading to widespread damage. Security forces had to intervene to disperse the crowd, preventing further destruction. The Kolkata police, through a post on their official X account, announced the arrest, stating as of now they have made 25 arrests in relation to the vandalism at RG Kar Hospital on Wednesday night. The police also mentioned that 4 additional suspects were identified through social media posts and the search for other suspects continues. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee accused the left and Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP) of conspiring to create unrest in the state. She alleged that those involved in the hospital vandalism were not associated with the ongoing student movement at RG Kar Medical College, but rather were external agitators. She remarked that they are outsiders and that she have seen videos showing some holding national flags and others with white and red flags, indicating their political affiliations. The Chief Minister also condemned the police for their restraint during the chaotic events. She recounted how some officers, including a deputy commissioner and 2 officer in charges, were injured during the incident and had to be hospitalized. Banerjee expressed her gratitude towards the police for maintaining composure and not retaliating against the mob. Regarding the ongoing investigation into the rape and murder case at RG Kar Medical College, Banerjee emphasized that the case is now under the jurisdiction of the Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI). She added that if anyone has anything to say, it should be directed to the CBI. She have no objections. The brutal rape and murder of a postgraduate trainee doctor at RG Kar Medical College on August 9 have sparked nationwide outrage, particularly among medical professionals. The CBI, which is leading the investigation, visited the hospital on Thursday to gather a digital blueprint of the incident. 4 doctors from the hospital have been summoned for questioning regarding the events of that night. Manipur DGP along with his team called on MHRC Chairperson Justice UB Saha at the chamber of MHRC Chairperson and discussed prevailing human rights situation of Manipur. Justice Saha suggested various points that the Manipur police could initiate in bringing lasting peace in Manipur. DGP Rajiv Singh also informed that he has taken detailed brief from IGP Zone 1 Themthing Ngasangwa, who accompanied the MHRC chairperson during his maiden visit to More in Tengnoupal district yesterday. The discussion was attended by ADGP Ashutosh Sinha, MHRC member KK Singh, along with IGP Mamta Wahengbam and MHRC law officer W. Basanta Kumar also attended the discussion. Manipur police has refuted claims circulating on social media about an arson incident near the IG Assam Rifles South headquarters in Mantri Prukriya on August 16, 2024. The police clarified on X, formerly Twitter, that the information is false, stating this is wrong information. No such incident of arson near IG AR South happened on August 16, 2024. The clarification came in response to a Facebook post that alleged a house belonging to a Naga individual identified as Mr. Ringo, the ADC chairman of Chandel district, was set on fire around 2:40 p.m. on Friday. The post claimed the house, which once belonged to a Kuki family, was deliberately burned by unidentified individuals reportedly seen near the location prior to the incident. The post further mentioned the presence of 3 men riding Royal Enfield motorcycles believed to be part of the group responsible for the arson. Manipur police asked the public to refrain from spreading unverified information that could exacerbate tensions in the region. Security forces conducted extensive search operations and area domination in the fringe and vulnerable areas of the state's Hill and Valley districts. The operations aimed at enhancing security and curbing illegal activities led to the recovery of a substantial cache of weapons and ammunition. During the search operation in the lower Loiching Ridge area of Kangpokpi district, security personnel seized a variety of arms, including one 9mm pistol with a magazine, one 12-bore single-barrel rifle, one improvised 7.62mm SLR, and one improvised 9mm CMG with a magazine. Additionally, 2 improvised mortars, both long and short range, were recovered, along with 1 radio set with a charger, Baofeng, 1 MK3A2 grenade, 1 HC36 hand grenade detonator, and 2 stun shell smoke devices. The forces also confiscated 14 rounds of live ammunition and 2 mortar bombs, further strengthening their crackdown on illegal weaponry in the region. A meeting of the Panel Expert Committee for Young Talented Artists Award was held on August 5th at NEJCC Selgram, Guwahati for selection of accomplished young artists for awards for the year 2022-2023. The meeting was chaired by Deputy Director of Art and Culture, Government of Manipur, Dharmadas Sharma. After thorough scrutiny of each applications, the committee selected 17 young talented artists for awards for the year 2022-2023 were selected. One of the 17 selected young talented artists was Manipuri folk singer Thokchom Lansana Chanu, daughter of T.H. Thoyangba Maitei, a renowned filmmaker from Manipur. At the outset, Director of NEJCC, Dr. Prasanna Gogoi, welcomed the members and expressed gratitude to their valuable attendance. He briefly explained about the scheme and the selection process and financial positions and budget allocations for Young Talent Artist Award. A total of 125 applications were received from the artists hailing from the member states of Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland and Tripura. Central Young Mizo Association CYMA, in collaboration with Mizo Literature and Language Teachers Academy Milta in Mizoram, launched training on the spoken Mizo language for internally displaced people of Manipur. The training program was inaugurated by CYMA President Lalman Chuana. The event, held at Ray Hall at Aizaul's Falkland, was presided by CYMA Vice President Professor Lalun Tuanga, while the Organization Secretary Professor Malson Liana gave a report on the organization and the ongoing training program. Speaking on the occasion, Lalman Chuana said that learning the Mizo language was important not only for having good command over the language, but also for the unity of the Mizo tribe. He urged the internally displaced people to seriously take part in the event. Milta representative Professor C. Balranrua also spoke on the occasion. At present, 250 inmates are belonging to 59 families from various districts of Manipur taking shelter at Ray Hall. The IDPs approached the CYMA regarding their desire to learn the Mizo language, following which the CYMA signed an agreement with Milta to impart training on the spoken Mizo language. The Sabarmati Express train number 19168 traveling from Varanasi to Ahmedabad experienced a derailment early this morning, resulting in 22 bogies going off the tracks. Fortunately, no injuries were reported among the passengers. The derailment occurred in a block section between Kanpur and Bhimsen station at 2:35 a.m. Additional District Magistrate ADM Rakesh Verma, who assessed the scene, confirmed that all passengers were safely evacuated. Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw provided further details, indicating that the train's engine struck an object placed on the track, leading to the derailment. Indian Railways responded swiftly, dispatching buses to the site to facilitate the safe transfer of passengers to Kanpur. Railway officials, including DRM Jhansi Division Deepak Kumar, confirmed that the passengers have been safely returned to Kanpur via buses and a relief train. Another train has been arranged in Kanpur to transport the passengers to their final destinations in Ahmedabad. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top news headlines once again. Doctors across Manipur joined nationwide protest to condemn horrific rape and murder of a doctor in Kolkata. 25 individuals arrested in connection with the recent vandalism at Kolkata's RG Kar Hospital. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching ICE News and have a great evening.